One of the great things about Google Forms is that you can customize it. So you see this little customize theme button kind of looks like an art palette. When you click that, you can choose to add a header if you would like, and you can upload your own by clicking that upload button and you can just drag things there. Or if you click photos, I think it takes photos from your account, but as you can see, I guess I don't have Google Photos with my work account. But you can go through and say, this is for school and work, and then scroll through those options. So if I choose the books insert, it's going to automatically make it so that all the colors fit with that particular theme. So if I don't want that, I click the X and then I'm just stuck with the colors. But I can choose a specific color, make the background darker. I can even change the font to make it decorative, which I think is maybe a little hard to read, a little formal, or playful, however you would like that to appear. So there's some fun ways to customize your Google form.